Today we are going to learn about line. In this video we shall learn definition of line, its properties and three basic types of lines. At the end of this video we will see some examples of lines. Now first of all we shall start with definition of line. A straight path which extends up to infinity on both direction is known as a line. Now we shall see properties of line. Properties. First property, as a line has no ends, points, hence it has no definite length. Second one, only one line can be drawn through two different points. Third one, infinite number of lines can be passed through a fixed point. Next, line can also be denoted by a small letters like P, Q, R, etc. Fifth properties, line is a one dimensional object, that is, it has only length and no width and thickness. Now, as we know that lines can be extended up to infinity, so we cannot draw it on plain paper. Then how could we draw on plain paper? See here. Suppose A and B are two different points, and when we join A and B like this and extend on both direction and put arrowheads like this, then it becomes a line. Now it is represented by L, then line AB, line BA equals to L. Next, suppose point B, C, D, E are four different points. A straight path is passing through all these 4 points. Then when you put arrowheads like this, it becomes a line. Now line BC and line DE represent same line. Next, we will see the properties of lines. Now, we will see three basic types of lines. Three basic types of lines. First one is horizontal lines or sleeping line. Second one is vertical lines or standing lines. Third one is oblique lines or slanting lines. Now, examples of horizontal, vertical and oblique lines. When this sketch pen is lying like this, then we say this is lying horizontal on the board. Now, how could we draw horizontal lines? See, here A and B are two different points. Connect with this straight path, extend like this, put an arrowheads and say this is L, then line AB, line BA, both are equal and it is represented by L, so it is a horizontal line. Next one is vertical line. When any object which is upright or perpendicular to any plane surface, then it is also known as vertical lines. In daily usage, we see street poles on roadsides. Now, how could we draw on paper a vertical line? See here. Suppose C and D are two different points. Now make a straight path like this and arrowheads like this. This becomes a vertical lines. And now line CD, line DC, both are same and it is represented by M. Then it is a vertical line. Now third one is a oblique line. Oblique line means a line which is making some inclination with a plane. Now for example, see, this sketch pen is making some inclination with this board, or in daily uses you can see the stair or ladder rest on wall. Now how could we draw a oblique line? See here, suppose E and F are two different points, and put arrowheads like this, and EF, FE, say this line is Q, then it is Q equals to slanting line or oblique line. Now other example of oblique line is like this. See, you can represent like this, or this is F and E, say this is represented by R, then F, E and line EF equals to R, or it is also known as oblique line, oblique line or slanting line. Now first of all we will draw a rectangle. A, B, C, D are the vertex of the rectangle. One unique feature of the rectangle is that in a rectangle opposite sides are equal. Now see some example of lines here. Now we will extend AB, CD and put arrowheads which make it a line. Now guys, which one is a horizontal line? See here, horizontal lines. So line DC and line AB are horizontal lines. Now next, which one is our slanting line? Slanting line. See here, AC, BD are slanting lines, or you can say it as a oblique line. Now next we will see which one is a vertical line. Vertical lines here AD and BC both are vertical lines. Now next we will see how the infinite number of lines passes through a point C. Point P. Put arrowheads which makes these straight paths lines. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. All these A, B, C, D, E, F, G are passing through a fixed point. In such way, we could draw infinite number of lines which is passing through point P. Hope you enjoyed this video. In future, if you want to see more videos, please subscribe this video. Thank you.